Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier plan allows Personal Hotspot and that you have available data. This prevents surprises. Once done, make sure cellular and Wi-Fi are on and airplane mode is off so the phone can share a connection. Now open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. This takes you into the network controls where the hotspot option lives. Doing this first saves time and avoids toggling menus later. You'll now enable the hotspot and set it up for others to join. Tap Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow Others to Join. This broadcasts your iPhone's network. Then tap Wi-Fi password and create a secure password, 8 to 63 characters with letters and numbers, so unauthorized users can't connect. Make sure you note the network name displayed there since that's what you'll select on laptops or tablets. Once configured, the iPhone is discoverable and ready for client devices to connect. You finish by connecting your laptop or tablet. Select the iPhone SSID and enter the password exactly, matching case and characters. If Wi-Fi pairing gives trouble, try Bluetooth or connect via USB tethering, which often bypasses Wi-Fi issues. If devices still can't join, toggle the Personal Hotspot off and back on, and restart your iPhone. This clears temporary network faults. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.